Hey guys, it's Crypto Ape here. It's Sunday today. Hope you have a great weekend. So let's see our weekly Bitcoin update, right? So this is a daily Bitcoin chart, right? And we have a phenomenon, rally during the past 2 weeks. And I know a lot of people saying that this could be the new bull market, starting point. But I mean, one thing we should be really careful is that during this rally we don't really have a proper a drawback, right? We don't have proper retrace. So I mean, for me it's kind of dangerous to put a long here. I probably gonna wait for another proper drawback, probably to 21K. Then we're gonna see how the market behave when the price reach to this area, right? So first let's see the patterns, right? So right now I think we are forming a Elliott wave pattern, which is wave 3. So this is the wave 1, and I think this could be the end of wave 3. And right now I think we're probably gonna have a tricky wave 4. Probably reach to the area of 21K, to this area, to this golden pocket, right? And then probably we're gonna have another wave 5, to bring us higher than the before, probably to 25 to right here. So we're gonna find more confirmations, right? So how you're gonna make sure right now it's wave of 3. First of all, we are not sure of anything, right? But the thing is, the trading is all the probabilities, right? So we do think this is end of wave 3. I know a lot of people saying, this could be the end of wave 5. But personally, I think could be the end of wave 3, and we are having a drawback, which forming a wave 4. Then probably we're gonna have another wave 5. So let's find our confirmations, right? So wave 1 is pretty clear. We have smaller mini 5 waves, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, right? Then we have in the wave 2 we have correction wave ABC, right? A, B, and C. So in the wave 3 we didn't have a very clear 1, 2, but since wave 3 is always the impulsive one, so we believe we probably have something like this: 1, 2, and this is a 3, and this is our corrective wave 4, and this should be the the wave 5 of the major wave 3, right? So when we turn the time frame to a lower time frame, so we can see in the wave 5 of the wave 3, so we can see there should be something like this: 1, 2, and this is a 3, 4, 5, right? So that's one probability, right? Another one is something like this. So this could be the 1, 2, 3. This is the end of the 3. Then we have the wave 4 correction right here, right? Then we have our wave 5 here, right? Why? Because in the wave 4 we can see there's actually a corrective wave, right? We have an ABC right here, A, B, and C. The price doesn't give us a lower low. Instead, it's giving us a flat ABC. So that's why we believe the price is gonna run higher from here, which will give us a wave 5. So if that's a wave 3, right now, I think we are just forming a corrective wave of the wave 4, right? The major wave 4. So the wave 4 will look something like this. So if this is the high of the wave 3, so we're gonna have the corrective wave ABC, right? So this could be the wave A, and this could be the wave B. And right now, I think we are running down to the 1.618 area of the wave 1. Sorry, of the wave A, of the wave A, 1.618. So right now, I think we're going down to this area, right? And even then the wave B, we can see a smaller ABC, right? A, B, and C. The C is actually higher than this level. This level is high. It's 23.5K, right? But here we have 23.52. So it's up a little bit higher than we have a week down, right? Sorry, a week up, right? The price, react very fast. We're gonna draw down here. So that's why I believe this could be the ABC, the smaller ABC. And right now we are forming a corrective wave, ABC, which give us, a wave 4, right? If that's a wave 3. So I think, starting from this point, I think we are having a ABC, right? So we're gonna find another more confirmation to this. So this is just another Bitcoin chart, right? This is from Coinbase. We're gonna draw the time circles, right? We're gonna have a bigger red time circles, and we're gonna have the a green smaller time circles, right? So you can see the price always ranging up when the bigger time circle and the green circles always they're both ranging up, right? When the price drag back down when the red one and after the middle point of the red one, the price can drag down. Same thing happens here, right? We have a ranging up, right, to the 21K, from 18K to 21K. Both of them are ranging up, the red one, the green one, but after the middle point, it drag down. Right now, this rally, doesn't look like so surprising because we have the green one and the red one. They are both ranging up. But the thing is, we don't really come to the point of the middle point of the red one, right? We don't really. We're just coming to, right now probably it's the middle point of the green one. So I do think that's probably give us the confirmation that this is not wave 5, right? Probably the price is gonna give us a correction right here, then probably gonna have another wave 5 to this point. At this point, we are coming to the second half, right? The middle point. After passing the middle point, probably we're gonna have the a retrace, right? We're gonna have a probably major ABC, something like this, right? But right now, I don't think this is the end of wave 5, but I do think we're gonna have a retrace because the green one is kind of coming back. This is another confirmation we are looking for. Also, we see the fib channels. We draw this point to this point to this point. We can see the fib channels. I mean, the price actually respect to these levels almost perfectly, right? You can see the golden pocket here. We respect this level very, very precisely, right here, right? We have the 18K, but it's golden pocket rejected heavily during this area, coming back to here. So when we change this to the lower time frame, so we can see even during this rally up, so we can see the price actually, respect to this level precisely. The lower golden pocket, we have the upper golden pocket. We, previously it was a resistance area, but we break through this, making it a supporting area, and we are stepping on this supporting area and give us another rally, right? So I mean, right now, this point is 23.8. This area is actually, watch this line, right? This line is almost in the, a fib channel supporting area, right? I mean, we were rejecting here, we were rejecting here, we were rejecting here. And actually, this one is actually supporting about the previous low at 17.5K, right? I mean, yes, I mean, we have our 25K right here, but I mean, this level has been a supporting area. Right now, it's kind of giving us a resistance area. the price actually was ranging around this this area, which is 0.886. But like we said before, according to the Elliott wave theory, we think this price is gonna behave something like ABC, which give us a wave fall. So I think the price is gonna be ranging lower from this point. After breaking through the 0.886 area, then we're probably gonna come back to this area, which is the upper level of the golden pocket, right? It's also in the area of the 1.618. About this A wave. If this is the A wave, how we can predict the C wave? It's always gonna be 1.618. So I do believe the price is gonna be coming back here, which gives us the ABC corrective wave fall. Then we're gonna ranging higher, which giving us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is a major wave 5, right? I think that's probably the storyline Bitcoin gonna behave, right? I mean, after the price, giving us a ABC, or also maybe even a ABCDE, right? So what we are looking for is we want to see actually a descending wedge or a falling wedge, right? Or even maybe a bull flag, right? Something like this, right? We're gonna see the price gonna give us something like a bull flag, because we are running up, giving us a bull flag, or even a falling wedge, right? The price gonna do something like this, maybe a ABCDE. So I think that's a very good signal, saying that we are finally we are having a corrective wave fall. So the price is ready for another wave trending higher to this point. That's a scenario I'm hoping to see, to see how the price gonna react. I mean, it's Sunday today, so basically it's depending on the New York open on Monday, so we're gonna see. But right now, since we have a week up, so we have a week up, right, like this. I do think the price gonna ranging lower from this point, right? Also, when we see the stable coins, right, the stablecoin dominance, right? So you can see all these stablecoin dominance has been respecting to this line, which is a golden pocket, right? And it doesn't ranging lower. So I do believe the dominance is gonna be running up higher, so the price is gonna be running up lower, right? The Ethereum basically is the same thing, right? So this is a 1 hour. Let's see the 4 hour. It's kind of give us head and shoulder pattern, right? We have a double shoulder here, and we have a double shoulder here, and probably this is the head. The price, respecting to this level. So that's another sign that the price probably gonna be coming back lower, at least coming back to here, right? I mean, if the Bitcoin price is gonna ranging up back to here, I do think the Ethereum gonna break through this point, maybe coming back to this area, right? The 1400 area, right? So yeah, let's see what's gonna happen. Also, let's see the market cipher. It's been extremely bearish. So this is the 4 hour market cipher. We have been see the momentum has been declining, right? We have to see the money inflow has been decreasing. Also, the RSI, it has the potential to coming back down, right? Even in the higher time frame, you can see, the money flow has been decreasing, right? The momentum has been decreasing, and we have a major divergence right here, right? The price giving us a higher high, and the momentum kind of giving us a lower low. So, this is a Bitcoin price is exhausted here, right? That's why we have the weaker momentum, right? And also, I think the same divergence happens in the day area. Yes, we have a lower momentum, but we have a higher price, right? I mean, the daily, the money inflow, it's still kind of flat. We do have the possibility that we're gonna come back here, then come back down again. But I mean, if we see a higher time frame than the daily, so we are seeing the 3 days, the market cipher has already printing a red dot, right? It's printing a red dot here, and the RSI has been splitted very largely. So I do think we're gonna have a drag down from here. Another thing is if we draw the volume profile from this high, 31K to the time today, so we can have our volume profile, right? So you can see this blue line is actually the value area high. This is a value area low, right? Right now the price is actually was rejected by the value area high. For the past let's see the daily, right? So you can see the price actually was rejected in this area for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 for past week. The entire past week was rejected by this value area high. Right now we are kind of breaking through this point, but I think as long as the daily close was below this area, probably we're gonna have another a red candle candle down to this area, right? Come back to here. Right now it seems breaking through, but we have a wick outside, and also it's hitting the a major time frame trend line, right? We're drawing a trend. We're using the log view. We're drawing the trend line from 69K. Right now it seems that the price is hitting this area, right? I mean, as long as the price doesn't break through this trend line, as long as the price doesn't break through this value area high, I do think we have a very good chance to come back a little bit. Then probably we're gonna have another wave 5, which can bring us to 25.2K, right? But right now, I'm bearish. I'm bearish about Bitcoin for the short-term corrective wave, right? All right, so that's for today. So we're gonna update you in a few days. All right, have a good day. Thank you, guys.